Hi Rosemary, this is Tim Garman, and I'm just going to talk you through how to colour a path. As you can see, I've got the fire truck image open. It's just a JPEG, just with one layer. What I'm going to do is pick the pen tool and just add one of these power lines in. So we can imagine it looks something like that. Note that I've got black as a foreground colour. Now that could be any colour you like. Let me just pull the colour picker in from my other screen. Could be any colour you like, but let's go for black. And just to go about it in the right way, let's just add a new layer. We'll put this on a new layer. So new layer selected. So I've created this path. As you know, you can adjust the path direction. If I hold down, I'm on a Mac and I'm holding down the command key, which will probably be, if you're on a PC, probably be the control key. So that's useful as a keyboard shortcut when you're adjusting paths. Just hold down the command key and you get the direct selection tool. So the paths created, we've got black as a foreground color. Just going to go to the brush tool and change the size. I'm going to put in 4 pixels. Hardness is at 0. That's fine. So I'm on 4 pixels. So then I'll go over to the paths palette. And you see we've got a work path in there. Now we can save that path if we want to. Don't need to do it now, but we can go to the paths palette menu and select stroke path. And let me pull in the box from my other screen. That's what appears. And you can see you've got some options for what you can choose in terms of tool, but we're going to stick with the tool that we've already chosen on the tool panel. So the brush tool, we're going to stroke the path, click OK. Now you can't really see it because it's underneath the path. So if we go into the paths palette and click away from the selected path, that will turn the path off, but we can see it has been stroked. So that is the way to go about that. Just one other thing you might like to know while we're in the paths palette. If you choose the pen tool and draw a path, however that path might want to look, and go to the end, it becomes a closed path, which is a shape. You can then go to the paths palette and choose make selection, and that turns that path that you've created into a selection. That's another extra bit of learning, but that's how you stroke your path. Hope that helps.